What it do, YouTube? Quick update for you guys. Couple stuff I just grabbed from Harbor Freight, and the first thing is the half-inch drive, 21 pieces vase socket, come with a nice Pittsburgh half-inch ratchet, and also 20 pieces sockets. Second thing is the 7 pieces nut driver set. These I found useful when you're working on something small. When I do a quick loose, I found those useful. The 6 pieces screwdriver set, that was for free. A wrench rack, hold 16 wrenches. That's for my toolbox so I can organize my stuff. 3-piece socket tray organizer. Got half-inch, 3/8. 1/4, 3/8, and half-inch. Here we got the 32 pieces magnetic driver guide kit. Got so many bits in there. I have a lot of them, but I'll always lose some of them, so I'll try my best not to lose my tools anymore. And here we got 18 gauge 2-inch 1 air nailer stapler. And now how much I spent today. If you spend $50, they give you 8 choices of tools that you can get for $5, and this here was one of them. So here that was for $5, but the retail price is around 22 something. So I got this for $5. This was for free, and on here I got 20% off, and the total was $61. So I spent $61. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to spend another $50 and get something else for $5 from the 8 stuff they got. I think it's around 5 or 8 stuff, I forgot. But so for $61, that's all I got. So you stay tuned, YouTube. Tomorrow I should have some more tools coming, because I'm gonna go in there use more coupon I got. So yeah, YouTube, I'll see you on the next one.